Menteri Rangba Kajela Conrad K Sangma, ringkat usimbut Menteri Rangba usnyau bahalang dhar, kilawan ban sakhi ya kasngi penkut kasyat Behdienkhlam Conrad Ialong, hakashipau terik nailar. Kali niam Behdienkhlam Conrad Ialong, kasdang nadu kapra terik nailar da kajingle niam baper, bala pendap da ulang do ringkat kiwasan kimaji bat usangot. Ka Behdienkhlam Ialong, la shimbenta da kilai shnong kata wa yajer, nong kelab bat kashnong Ialong. Kijingle niam kikentop nadu ka krong ka kri, ka chok thendai, bat ka kenya khlam, ban be ya ka pang ka shitom, bat ya ka si ka roy, na kishnong ki thao, bat ban kerpat kerpon ya unong bu nong thao, ban kerku kerdo, ban bha ka rep ka riang. Hakasni penkut, kikuan ka Conrad Ialong na keleng kidong baper, kumjuk ka shnong wa yajer, kipenpoy hadu shipau teli kirot hapung kentang, kabalatip kum kaperda, kabadan hayalong. Nalor Menteri Rangba bat sembut Menteri Rangba, ladan langru ka MLA saipung ka kong Santa Mary Syllad, MLA ka Umroy daman bat lamare, MLA ka Jowai Wailat Miki Syllad, MLA barim ka saipung Sitlang Pale, Chief Executive Member GHADC Thombor Shiwat, KMDC ka GHADC, Deputy Commissioner ka West Jaintia UBS Solia IAS, Superintendent of Police C30, ki doloy na ki ilaka baper, ki opisar sorkar na ki tanat rekam baper, na lor ki hajar ngut ki patba. Katba ya ka kenya khlambat ka wa bhang, ki badai ki le niam bakhadu la pendap hadien ka jingbret ya kirot.
At the very outset, I would like to wish all and each and everyone who's present out here a very happy Behdienkhlam festival. I will not take much time because I know that all of you are here to celebrate the festival. But I would like to just add that as a government, we are very keen to ensure that the government supports the different traditional programs and festivals of the people of our state. And in the future also, we will continue to give whatever support that we can so that the traditional practices, the different festivals are all celebrated in the best possible manner. And so, as has been expressed by the office of the Conrad Ialong, as well as by the Honorable Local MLA, Ma Wailad, I would like to assure you that whatever has been mentioned in this memorandum, to put up a gallery out here, to put up a public area, also to put up the toilets and the different washrooms, and all the other facilities that will be required so that you can celebrate the Behdienkhlam in a much better manner. I assure you that the government will give full support to build up the infrastructure out here. At the same time, the local MLA has mentioned to me that he would require the road to be built, the road that comes from the main road all the way here to Ialong Park. And the Honorable MLA has been very particular that this road and another few roads in this village need to be developed. Let me assure you, I have discussed this matter with our PWD department, that we will be making this road also, and we commit that this road also will be constructed for the benefit of the area. So without taking much time, I would want you to continue with the festival. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Behdienkhlam festival, and once again, thank you all for inviting me here to this program. Sir, with due respect, it's my sincere thanks to you. I would like to inform you, sir, you are the first Chief Minister to come to witness Conrad Ialong Behdienkhlam. I don't want to say much because whatever my Wailad expressed to you, I know you never say no to your people. So I have full confidence in you. I think you will show the blessing for Conrad Ialong in the days to come. Sir, I would like to request you that as you have seen that Ialong is not only rich in culture,
but has a very huge potential in terms of tourism. But still we need a lot of infrastructure development. And I am confident in your able leadership that you'll be able to take Ialong in new height in the coming days, sir. With these few words, sir, thank you so much.
To appreciate and present the moment to Sri Wadat Nikitula, local MLA. Thank you, Captain. Now I call
Behdienkhlam Ialong Yavara Imaitis to media of the Talkman.
Festival Behdienkhlam Ialong. Good night, committee.
boleh kepada volunteer wasnya di kawan kepada dari saya sedikit. Begitu kesimpulan bagi volunteer